my character, her name is called Karishma Shetty, and she's from a Mangalorean family. So she's, her family is very traditional, but because she studies in Bombay, she's more modern, and she's a very fun-loving person, very spunky, but she's, sort of more settled and practical in nature as compared to Dino. And the story and the movie is about Dino and Karishma's relationship and the journey that they have, and the sort of, where all they go and how their lives change because of some decisions that they take. And it's about making mistakes and growing up and learning from your mistakes and still standing another day.
Dino is the character is the boy in the film, and he's adventurous. He loves thrill, he loves parties, he loves fun, and he likes doing things without thinking, which I think is the biggest thing to do with youth today. I think young people today who are 19 and 20 do things without thinking, and they land themselves up in a lot of problems. And through the course of the film, you realize that Dino and Karishma, who's Dino's best friend, make a lot of mistakes, and they eventually grow up.
Actually, when I heard the script for the first time and I sort of, got a flavor of what this movie is about, I absolutely loved it. And there are very few times that the first time when you hear a script, you're like, feel it so good. And so at that point, I was like, I have to be a part of this movie. And that time I didn't know that Mr. Rahman he's doing the music. And I remember that my audition process was still going on. And after that, they told me that Mr. Rahman is doing the music of this movie. And for me, that was such a big factor. That was like a bigger factor for me than to work harder in this movie. So I think it would be a combination of the script of Rahman sir, of the conviction that Arif sir, our director, had, and the sort of backing that Illuminati gave us as a production house made me feel very confident that so many good people, so many great people are believing in our script. So that gave me a very...
I just want to do the best I can do and be true to myself and work hard and enjoy doing whatever I do.
I think it was more because here in Hindi cinema it's also my debut here. So there was a certain level of I would say nervousness and excitement because for the first time I was working in my home language, and so I don't know how much I could mentor him. I don't feel I am that experienced myself that I can mentor anyone. But definitely I feel that even Arman gave me a lot of suggestions because he's been an assistant director. So he gave me a lot of suggestions and I gave him a lot of suggestions wherever I knew something. So I feel that relationship of mutual understanding and where we both were helping each other, I think that benefited us definitely. It's a very fresh movie, and moreover I think it's a movie where there are two newcomers who have never seen us, so that's very exciting. So please go watch the movie. It's very real and I'm definitely sure you like it. It has great music, so go watch it.
The USP, I think definitely the music, it's a youth-centric film. It's very young, it's happy, there's love, there's friendship, there's fighting, there's I think I consider this as normalcy. For me it's very normal. Today's love, relationships, immaturity all go hand in hand. So it's a very interesting young story, and look out for that, look out for the music, because the maestro Rahman sir's done it, and I think that's probably the reason why you should look out for it.
For more news and gossip, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.